Today I will be demonstrating my team's final project that we worked on. This project is titled Course Compass, and it is a Spring Boot project. Um, Course Compass, what we had in mind for this project was um, it would have it would be able to display student information such as what courses they're taking and calculate GPA based on those courses and the grade that they would have for that class. So you could see that we have our three main files would be a course to hold all the information for instructor, current grade, methods for to calculate the GPA, and then a class for student. What I contributed for the project was working on this piece of the web controller. What I did was create the student controller methods so that a student entity could be added to the database, such as their name and information. Um, and then just so it could route properly. I also created just a basic student repository when we were working on it. Something that I also worked on was the ability to input assignment grades, like individual assignment grades. That is something that we scrapped in the project, but I do have it linked right here in the it was a pull request that we did earlier. That I added an input assignments grade.html file, as well as how to tweak a little bit of the web controller. But this will be on my forked version of the repo. But that is something that we scrapped. So you can see our HTML and our main HTML files are index, course list that'll hold the course information, ability to input the course, and then the same thing with input student and student list. But you'll notice we have a few scripts that'll handle form validation to make sure that those fields are not empty, as well as just Java and the interface files for the repositories. I'm gonna go ahead and run this just to show off how this works. Let's load this. All right, I think let's go back. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this person from the database. All right. Once it's clean and empty, you would be taken to this page, and there is no students here. So when you click View All Students, it's just gonna route back to here. So I'm gonna add a student named Juan. Let's do Juan Gomez. Now, adding the student, you could see there is now a student in the database. If I want to edit it later, I can maybe change the first name to like maybe David. So you could see that works. We'll show deleting it in just a little bit. We did delete the previous one though. You see there's a button for adding a new student, viewing courses. This will be where you can add individual courses for the student. So let's just add this class, CIS17, sorry, that's fine, 175. And then we'll do classes Java 2, 3 credit hours. Let's say it's, this will be the name. And let's say I have maybe like an 85 as the current grade. So we're going to submit that. Now it'll take you back to this home page. When you view the courses, it will calculate your GPA right down here. And then you do have the ability to drop the course and of course add a new one. But we already just added one, so I'm going to go ahead and drop one. Should be able to drop it just fine. See, now it is empty. And then the only thing is we don't have a way to go back. But that does demonstrate the ability to edit information for a student, add courses, and you can see right here that the current GPA went back to 0 because there is no grade or course information listed here. So that covers my group's final project. Thank you for watching.